Hi, today I'm going to talk about the Ultra Breeze Odyssey 8. I'll quickly have a little tour. Nice big porch, I'll close this up for you. On the front of this porch we've got 3 big windows. Let loads of light in. Okay, so let's do them back up. So this porch is fully zippable, comes off all the way across. So you can take that down, we move it out of the way, put it back up if we need to, or just have it as an open porch. So we'll close this. It's right over like that. And we'll take you for a little tour inside. Okay, let's have a walk. We'll go inside first. So in the porch area, we've got a door just here. This also has windows. And like a normal door, comes all the way up from the bottom. Vents at the top. Okay, same on the other side. Window, door comes all the way up, vent at the top. We turn around, we look at the porch main door, which I showed you from outside. This slips all the way over, all the way down, and has windows on every single panel. Okay, so do that. Now it's very hot where we are at the moment, so we've got everything open, but we'll come in. So on the next panel, we've got window, door rolled up, fly screen, and another window. Okay, so let's go inside and we'll show you. Fly screen on that one, window on that one, which goes all the way down to the bottom. Same on the other side. All the way down, it's loads of lighting. Okay, spin round. Again, we've got another window on this side. Goes all the way down to the bottom. Vent at the top. On the other side, same. The window that opens, vent across the top. Spin round. Another side door, fly screen, and a door folds down. On this side, another fly screen and a door. We've got the door up today on the poles. We'll come back around, look at the bedrooms. Bedrooms are the same. Fly screen, and then the privacy bit that comes round. But like I say, it's really hot today, so everything's open. Into the main compartment. Same, all folded up. And again, and then into the last one down the end. He's got it open. Got the clothes that stop flies. There we go. So we'll spin round while we're here. This is the main room. A carpet. Okay, so this is our setup. That's how we like it. Bin, table, bits and bobs for the kids, chair, fridge, toaster kettle, chargers. Right. Go and wander around the outside. Toilet this year, if needed. And then obviously our cooking setup. And I'll show you some other recipes we've been doing when we go away. Let's come around to it. Okay, so you've got the paddleboard, which has worked out really well. There's Lindsay, gives a wave. Okay, so that's the door up on the poles. Come around. Now on the back of the Odyssey Breeze, it's got these two big vents with fly screens on. These are massive. So you can see right through there, so that's going to let loads of air through, which is why we've got it open. See right through there, into the room, into there. It lets all air flow through, which is nice. Come around. Okay, you can see it's got the tapered edge, a bit different on this. There's the windows, door, and the vents. And come back round, because we're on the legs, we've got our washing line up for the wetsuits and towels. And we're back around the front here. I say that zips off all the way so you can have that off, on, open, half open, closed, whatever you want. So yeah. And that's it for our tour of the All-Pro Odyssey Breeze 8. Ah, that's better. Odyssey Breeze 8. Thank you very much.